Anyways, we'll hop onto a metro at the nearby People's Square station towards our next attraction. I promise you'll be able to breathe easy since it is car-free and is also heart of Shanghai's entertainment district. Welcome to the new world. Now this is a fashionable area filled with lots of pubs and high-end shopping located inside those restored historic stone buildings. Very unique. In Chinese, Xintiandi means the New World. It's a fashionable pedestrian street composed of old-style antique walls, tiles, and exterior of the old shikumen resin of the old Shanghai. Roaming here, you get a taste of both Shanghai in the 1920s and the modern lifestyle of the urbanality of the 21st century. There are upscale restaurants offering cuisines from different countries, such as France, Brazil, America, Japan, Germany, and Italy here. And it is one of the bar clusters in Shanghai, particularly popular with the young crowds and foreign visitors. Now, if you need to confess your sins, good news. A short ride away will get you to Shanghai's most famous Buddha's temple, the Jing'an Temple. First built in the Three Kingdom period between 220 to 280 AD. Originally located beside the Suzhou Creek, it was relocated to its current site in 1216 during the Song Dynasty. The current temple was rebuilt in Qing Dynasty, but during the Cultural Revolution, the temple was razed and turned into a plastic factory until 1983, when it was restored as a Buddhist temple. But I'm not able to confess my sin today. It's closed at 5 p.m., so come early.